We are going to Al Higher Park, just here in a lane, and we are going now. And the map says that it's going to be 38 minutes from our house, and our house is located in Central District, like in the town center. So more or less, yeah, 35 to 38 minutes. And we just started our journey, and they said that it's going to be open at 5 o'clock, and it's now 4:14, so we still have a lot of time to travel because we don't know if we're going to be lost or something, because it's our first time to go there. But we have GPS, so don't worry. And the cuts here is a so-so driver. So yeah, it's just an adventure that we're going to have today, and we're just going to take you guys with us. And yeah, see you there. We kind of lost it a little bit, but we're back on track. We're right on track, and it's 5:02, which is a perfect time because they will open at 5 o'clock. So we're just excited to go inside, and the sun is beaming, which is nice. And yeah, let's see what is inside. Are they hungry? Are they eating? We have settled already. Yeah, a lot of people, including us, are doing some barbecue, and we're feeding the ducks. And Zane fed the ducks, and it was his first time, I guess. It was your first time, Zane, right? Yes. Yeah, it was his first time feeding the ducks, and they were like hungry. They seemed like very hungry to me. But it was such a fun time, and now we are going to attempt to go there, up there. So wish us luck. Zane, go Zane! This is his first time trying to climb up the sand, and it's my second time. My God, I'm struggling. This is fine. This is completely normal. We can do this. We can see the sunset. Oh my God! I think I'm gonna fall down. Zane, are you still okay? Look at him. He's very brave. Over there. Oh, shucks. It's so nice. Because over there is grilling some chicken. We made it, guys. Look at the sunset. Look at the beautiful sunset. It's so windy. How are you, Zane? How are you? The problem is how can we go down, Zane? That's our dilemma right now. Our problem now is how to get down, because it's super steep. Like, how can we do it, Zane? Do you have any suggestions? Like, look how steep that is. So I think we're just going to go slowly. Zane, don't go there. It's too steep, baby. There. Go there. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh. Are you? I think we can do it. It's not as bad as I think. I mean, look at these children. They are so brave. Look at Zane over here. And look at my slipper. God has been cooking the whole time. Chicken! They're not yet cooked. They are not yet cooked. Where are the ducks?
Nang-sleep ng ducks, oy.
Ah,
Asa man? Wala, oy.
Dalo, okay, dalo ba? Dalo, sila mo kita man mo. Buta ba? Nakaw.
where are the other ducks? Oh, the black ducks.
Dito mo pag-feed ganina lab, naabot sa water lab.
Oh,
Paglabay nimo kay di sila kakuha dire.
magko ba siya kung kumalabay ako dira?
Ilang kwaon?
Bitaw, bukuan na sila. Most warm. So guys, we found a spot where we can buy some, I don't know, some toys, I guess.
You have cold water?
Oh, they also have
You have?
water. They also have juices,
Brother, how much is this?
cola.
Ayun ang pagbambam dito.
Ako sa
Pwede ra sa
There are
house.
also some toys. Oh, this one. It's a kite. It's a kite thing. It doesn't like a kite. Like dolls.
Oh, this is where you pop.
What is that? You want that?
Brother, how much?
One dirham. What the water?
I need cold.
Look at the squishy.
Tara kahit labo. Kahit.
There's a slippery mud. Love, snow spray. You don't like it anymore? Snow spray. Like Zane used to love this.
No, Silly Spring man too.
It's
Silly
not the same.
Spring.
It's not the same. Whoa. How many? Five dirham. Oh, they're also like candy. No, it's fine. Thank you.
It is 15 on. How much is one? Sprite? Same price. 10 plus 5, 15.
So guys, we bought a kite. Zane bought a kite. And they're going to let it fly, let it fly, let it fly. That cost 10 dirhams, guys. 10 dirhams. Gosh. This little one had so much fun. Look at him. Look at that. Where is that? Zane, you're so awkward. We are going back to our spot. It's so windy. That's why this is the best time to buy a kite. It's a good timing. Right, Zane?
Woo!
Look at you. Zane!
Yari tarong kami naguba.
Your kite is dead. We are going home, you guys. It was a very nice
Friday atong
family
kuha na kanang banding time
bonding.
pero Thursday laag.
Yes, it was a nice 3 hours, I would say. Zane
5 hours.
got his kite. We got our things. And we're walking back to our car. And it will be a good 30-minute travel. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my vlog. I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.